All right, welcome back. So now we are going to share with you about how to um, share your teaching materials with the students. There are actually three ways, as I mentioned earlier. The first way is to directly share from your desktop. So what you need to do is to click here. So this one, it will tell you it is the desktop sharing, the green one. Click it, and you will be sharing the you make pay attention only this part of the screen to the student. Only this part. You cannot enlarge the bar. You can only make it smaller, but not enlarge it. And another thing is make sure that you click share sound if you want to share the sound of some video or audio with your student. And when you are ready, start sharing. But now I'm not going to do that. Why that? Because I'm not ready. I'm going to make sure I'm ready, right? So first I'm going to open the file that I'm going to share with the student and make sure the content is in the middle of the green bar, the green box. And then I click start sharing. Now, Judy, on the other hand, can see the picture I'm sharing with her. Yes, very easy to do that. But it comes to the disadvantage, which is actually two. So using this function, because it will consume more resource of your computer. Pay attention here. See, my system CPU goes higher. It goes to 90% or 85%. That means it drains the application start to drain the resource from my computer. If your computer is not very in a good condition, or it's not a high end, not high end, relatively high end. If it's like old model, or yeah, it will probably slow down your computer. You will feel everything becomes slow, and it also comes with a possibility of crashing. So using that carefully, make sure you turn off all other application that is not related to the class, so that you will save more RAM, more space for computer resource for this function. And this disadvantage is that this function doesn't come with annotation. You cannot draw or write or type on the picture you're just sharing with your student. That's second. And also, you cannot share the whole screen. You can only share this part, right? So this is for so this is the single way sharing. It's called desktop sharing. Here, right here. There's another kind of sharing. It's called multi-directional screen sharing. It's an interesting function. Let me show you how. So when you click it, it comes with two options that you can check. The first one is for teacher. Let's see how it goes. When you click it, same thing happens. You're sharing the green within the green bar, right? But you can actually make it larger. Right now, you are sharing the whole screen with Judy. And you will have the tools here to annotate, to make sure the student know where you're pointing. So that's another advantage. But the downside is, the limitation, not the downside. The limitation is that the student won't have the access to use annotation in this case. So if you want to share your screen, I will recommend you to use this function instead of use another one. But if you want to share sound, this one doesn't come with the audio function. You cannot share sound of your computer. So depend on the requirement, you can select which bar you want to do. And here you can also share a part of the computer that you're using right now. You can specifically share this PDF file, for example, or you can share the whole screen desktop. It depends on your need. Okay, so this is the second way of sharing screen. But overall, these two ways of sharing screen is going to consume a lot of your computer power. So be cautious about that. Another way of sharing your materials with the student is to directly put off from your computer or from a cloud disk. Let me show you how. So when you go to teaching tools, you can load backboard, or not this one, load image directly from your computer. When you click it, this one will, your open file window will pop up, and you can select some picture here and share with your student. Very easy. And then if you want to share, another thing is called, what's that? Say Blackboard writing, load Blackboard, desktop sharing. Oh, sorry, not here. It's actually here, Cloud Disk. When you click it, everything stored in your Cloud Disk will show up. And then all you need to do is to select from here. Or if you don't have it here, it's from your computer and don't have it in cloud, you can upload right away. It's okay. So here you can we can upload another picture here, and then when you click it, it will automatically pull up here. And if it is a PDF file, it will like this. Like this. So very easy to view. You can make it larger, right? And here, when you click it, you can select different page. Yeah, very straightforward. And then also it also supports some videos. So if you want to upload some videos, it is also possible. All you need to do is same thing, upload this to your computer, or upload this to your cloud disk and show from there. So this is the video, and the file has been submitted for conversation. There are 44 files ahead of the line. Also, it's still loading. Whenever it is uploaded to the cloud disk, we can directly play that in the classroom. So in this way, it won't consume that much resource directly from your computer. It's a eco mode of the platform. It's up to you to use which one, but we will recommend you to save all the files in the cloud disk. Okay, so today I share with you about how to use these functions, and I hope you understand the importance about using well about your tools. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. My team will be happy to assist you. Okay, thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.